Let's start practical of IPv6 configuration. I have created one topology. Here this network contain subnet to F10. This network is of subnet to F20 and this network is of subnet to F30. I will assign IP to this router's port and it will automatically assigns IP to this network's PC. This router doesn't have serial ports. I manually added this serial port to these routers. Then start configuration of this router. With the first we need to enable IPv6 for this router. The command is IPv6 unicast routing. For enabling this gig 0/0 port we need to enter commands. By typing this command interface gig 0/0 for this router and IP address of subnet to F10, that is this network is of subnet to F10, that is to F10. It means that this networks assigns the IP address to this PC of subnet to F10. Then similarly for AC010 having IP of subnet to F20 and this port is also of network to F20. Similarly use these commands for assigning IP to this port. With the help of these commands interface AC0/1/0 and assigns IP address to this PC is of subnet to F20. It will enable this port of this router. Similarly for this router we should enable the gig/0/ port and also for this serial port. Same commands I will use. For this router we need to first enable IPv6. For this command is IPv6 unicast routing. Then I can enable this gig 0/ ports of this router with the help of IPv6 addresses. Now with the help of this command interface gig 0/0 and assigns IP to this port to F of subnet to F30, so that in this network assigns the IP address of subnet to F30 to this both PC. I will also assign IP to this PC to this port, that is AC010. Same commands I will use. With the help of this command, that is interface AC0/1/0, I will assign the IP that is of subnet to F20 that will enable this port. Now I need to check IP address for these PCs, that is it will assigns the IP of subnet to F10, that because of this network is of subnet to F10, so that it will assign the IP to this PC is of network to F10 and the IPv6 gateway for this PC is the IP address of this gig 0/0 port, that is same for another PC. This network is this PC is also belong this PC also belongs to the network of 2F10 subnet, so that it will also having IP of 2F10 network. Same for this network, that is of network 2F30 sub.